What's up, guys? It's your big man Thor, and I got some Blizzard Legacy cards. I haven't opened these up in so long. I'm kind of excited to find them at my local Meijer. So let me adjust my camera. I apologize. Let's see. See if we can get a nice insert or a Horde foil card I don't have yet. That'd be nice. Okay. Okay, so these are the retail copies. These come with the Horde and Molten Core parallels. So, let's see what we got. I think they come with, what, 7 packs? 8 packs? Was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? 7 packs. Okay. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Trying to get this to zoom in. Okay, we got a Zool. We got a Murgle. We got a Malagos, and I think the next one would be our Horde parallel. Oh, we got a Diablo card, a die cut. There we go. There's our Horde card. We got Sergeant Hammer. I don't know if I have that one yet. We'll set that up there. We got a Gul'dan. We got a Tessadar. And we got a drone. And if you are interested, I do sell cards on my eBay. So you can check these out if you want. I have a lot to sell. So if you're interested, you can find the link down below to my eBay channel. Or page, or whatever you call it. Okay, so we got a Nimsy, Necrofizzle, ETC. We got a Greymane. We got a Lunara. Our Horde is a Alexei Stakov. And a Stunstrider. A Nerzum Dark Templar, and Lilith. Mommy Lilith. What we got next? Let's see. Sorry with the weird pack openings. We got a Reinhardt. We got a Abathur. We got an Anduin from Hearthstone. Oh, our Horde is Varkov Sarfang from Warcraft, I think. No, World of Warcraft. Nice. We got a Bale. Oh, we got an Arthas. These are really cool. One, because they misspelled his name. As you can see right there, it says Arthas Minahill. So that'll be on eBay as well, if you guys want to get in on that action. We got a Terran Gorefiend, and we got a Cho'Gall. Got a couple more packs left. We're about halfway through. We got a Gul'dan. We got a Malfurion Stormrage from Heroes of the Storm. And I'm sorry for the camera, I don't have a mount yet. So I'm doing as best as I can at the moment. We got a Manaroth from World of Warcraft, I believe. Oh hell yeah, we got a Thrall Horde. Don't know if that's my second one. That might go in my personal collection. So excited about that. Hey, back-to-back Thralls. That was Thrall from Hearthstone. This is Thrall from World of Warcraft. We got a SCV from StarCraft. We got a Uthra the Lightbringer from World of Warcraft, I believe. Yes, World of Warcraft. And we got a Jim Raynor from StarCraft. No big hits yet. Don't know if we will. Okay. We got a Garrosh Hellscream from Hearthstone. We got Rock and Roll Racing. Heck yeah. We got Cassia from Heroes of the Storm. We got Mercy from Overwatch. Our Horde is Khadgar from Warcraft. Yeah, this one's from Warcraft. Yep. This is Maeve Shadowsong, also from Warcraft. Oh, from World of Warcraft, huh? I need to learn the differences in the icons. Let's see. Let's see if we can see a difference. Yeah, the icons are the same. They should have the different icons for it to tell which is Warcraft and which is World of Warcraft. Oh well. Minxed, Arctarius Minxed from StarCraft, and Malthael from Diablo. Okay, down to the last couple packs. Okay. We got Lady Vash from Hearthstone. We got Blackthorn. Never really played that one in that game. We got Khadgar from Hearthstone. Our Horde is Magni Bronzebeard from Hearthstone. We got Zoltan Cool from Diablo. We got Zero Tool from StarCraft. And we got Diablo from Diablo. And we got Zul'jin from Warcraft or World of Warcraft. Looks like Warcraft. And last pack. Looks like we only got one puzzle piece insert. So not really much of a hit. Those are really common as inserts. So we do get Illidan Stormrage, or just Illidan from Hearthstone. We got Kira. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Akama. And we got Tychus Finley. And our Horde card is Kel'Thas Sunstrider. And last cards are Imperius, Medivh, and Turalyon. Well, so I would say the two cards that I like that we got was Arthas Menahil and Thrall from... I love this artwork on Thrall from Hearthstone. So I'm glad I was able to get either my first copy or a second copy of Horde. So there we go. If you like this video, or if you want to buy any of the cards that I got, hit up my eBay. It's Thor H1634. Might be changed in the future. I don't know. But the link is down below. All right? Later.